So how do we choose your u? We choose your u based on the preference here. So logarithmic function. This is latte. I never knew latte until I started teaching. Last time I don't really use latte. I understand choosing my u by the one cannot be integrated because ln x, all these cannot be integrated, right? Ln cannot, right? Inverse trigo is like this. Sine inverse, cosine inverse x. All these cannot be integrated. Algebraic fraction x squared, 3x plus 1, and so on. Trigo, we all know that sine x, cosine x, tangent x. Exponential is ex, tan x, and so on. Okay? Here's reference. So let me explain to you. So for example, x ln x, right? Your u, you have two parts here, right? This one can use cancelling method because no matter what you pick, you will never cancel something. Right? It's clear, right? It's not cancelling method. So what you choose for your u, this is by parts. There are two parts here. Your u should be ln x. Then your dv dx is what? 1 x. Okay. So du dx would be 1 over x. V is actually half x squared. Integrate.
Wait, why do you get
Sorry? This is dv dx.
Oh.
This is my u. Okay. So we know that this is uv minus v du dx minus dx. Now, actually, what you do is just cross multiply uv. This one will be half x squared ln x minus v du dx. So this is, so this would just be half x squared ln x minus half x dx. So it's half. Ta-da! That's a good answer. Maybe I'll just write down the final answer. Okay, question. Please talk to me. Talk to me, people.